So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track a United Airlines flight. So the first thing you should do is go to united.com. That is their website. On there you can see the options book, flight status, check-in, and my trips. Through here you can see travel info and so on. So in order to check on your flight and see some more information about it, go to flight status. On here you can see from to, or you don't have to type that in. You can just go ahead and type in the flight number, the date it has taken off. So the flight number you will find on your itinerary or your ticket information once you get a ticket. So make sure that you have it by your side. Either open your inbox in your email. And you can see here the option receive flight status notifications by email or text message. So through here, once you check that off, you will receive and you can track whether your flight is coming and stuff like that, whether you're cleared to check in and some other information. So on here, just choose the date this flight is supposed to take off, put in the number, and then click on search. It doesn't have to necessarily have your flight information in there. You can check for any flight, but through here you can see if it's going to be delayed and some other information related to time, whether it's canceled, and so on. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on United Airlines or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.